I check the news online. She takes photographs with her camera. He walks his dog in the evening. We have a family dinner at home. They enjoy playing card games with friends. The sun warms the Earth's surface. The birds chirp cheerfully in the morning. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher gives a quiz to the students. My sister plays the guitar in a band. I jog in the park for exercise. She meets her friends at the cafe for coffee. He watches a basketball game on TV. We go hiking in the mountains. They play tennis at the court. The moon shines brightly in the night sky. The stars twinkle like diamonds. The computer freezes and needs to be restarted. My friend shares her chocolate with me. The baby laughs and claps her hands. I check my email for important messages. She writes poetry in her journal. He rides his skateboard to the park. We have lunch at a new restaurant. They study for their exams diligently. The river flows peacefully downstream. The waves crash against the shore. The plane lands safely at the airport. My parents support me in my endeavors. The cat naps in the sunlight. I watch a documentary on nature. She takes a ballet class in the evening. He fixes a leaky pipe in the bathroom. We go on a road trip to a new city. They enjoy playing board games with family. The sun sets in a blaze of colors. The birds migrate to warmer climates. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher gives a presentation to the class. My sister plays the piano beautifully. I practice my yoga poses. She repairs bicycles as a hobby. He goes fishing on the weekends. We have a barbecue in the backyard. They clean their room every week. The river sparkles under the sunlight. The waves crash against the rocks. The plane takes off into the clear sky. My brother plays video games competitively. The children share their snacks with each other.